Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows keeps installing the same update again and again, then I will suggest you two solutions only. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Yeah, and then scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Now I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, okay? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Okay, it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.